Caramel chocolate popcorn. Start off with a small bowl of white popcorn, a teaspoon of coconut oil, a half a cup of dark chocolate chips, and your favorite protein mix. Melt your coconut oil and the chocolate chips into a bowl and then combine with your protein mix. I use Shakeology. You're going to stir it until it has a nice smooth consistency and then gradually start to add in the popcorn. There was so much chocolate. It was definitely enough for this popcorn. So blend it all together and then pull out your silicone molds. They're linked in my Amazon store. And then grab a spoon and just add the popcorn into the mold. I actually pulled out some more molds than this. But anyways, just add them, fill them up. They're going to be nice and big. Just depends on whatever size you want. Put them in the freezer for about 15 minutes. They will come out nice and molded. I threw a little bit of caramel syrup on top of these. But after I did that, they came right out of the mold just like this. This is why I love those molds. Easy to clean as well. So you got a nice little treat for you and your family. They're healthier than your regular chocolate popcorn that you could buy. Nice sweet tooth craving tip. So like, share, comment, and follow.